Alright, well, finally blew up. Well, just pull it out by myself. Pretty easy pulling these motors out by yourself. Alright, well, this one's out. Just left the transmission sitting there. And basically, it's just going in the EcoBoost yard. That one's blown from the blue one. That's the original first blown one from the white one. And now this is the third one blown. So this is the cylinder that blew up. But one thing I noticed while taking out that piston, after finally working on this thing all weekend, it's all done. Currently draining the E60 out so I can get a fresh start of 91, and then should be good. All right, well, built motor for a startup. Well, I'm missing out on a lot, but basically the motor got built, put it in myself, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to start. Putting the brake in, comp cams, oil right now. Hopefully the battery has a charge on it. But yeah, I'm about to put 6 quarts of this stuff in here, prime the motor. Well, if I can even get it started. I don't know if the battery's dead, it's been sitting a while. See if I can get it started. But yeah, I know I didn't record me putting in the motor or the stage 3 clutch or anything. A lot of that stuff is on my Instagram, on my highlight called Blown Motor. Basically was super eager to get this done as soon as I could. Worked on it day and night when I got off work. It's definitely a long milestone, but for the Pop and Drop 2.0 speed performance kit, we're gonna see basically it's starting up. So I got a total of 12 quarts for just the one for revving and then one for driving like 50 miles. Also siphon the gas. It's a lot of work. This car is a piece of work. It's a lot of fucking work. But yeah, really excited to see the outcome. Have a 400 FLS or FLS 400 filter in here, so I can do exactly 7 quarts instead of the factory recommended or factory spec of 5.7. And yeah, really excited about this, guys. Got it built by my mechanic here locally. Built it at his house. Did not record anything with the camera that I'm holding. Just basically like clips on my cell phone. So yeah, if I can get a first start on this, after that first start, I'm gonna do the Motul, transmission fluid, do the coolant, everything like that. Put brand new spark plugs in. I do not have the aux hooked up. Get a start on a base map 91. And yeah, kind of in a rush right now, trying to beat the sun. It's getting dark. But basically, yeah, I have the stock stuff over here in that box. Stock pistons, rods, stock turbo. Really wanted to record a lot, but like I said, just super eager to get it in there and get it done. Maybe it's not the right way to go, but we'll see what the outcome is. See if all the hard work and all the money I dumped into this thing will be worth it in the long run. You know, people say, "Oh, it is a Ford, sell it." Fuck you. Alright, gonna prime it and then start it, so. Alright, so look, I have the spark plugs unplugged. Okay, because I'm gonna prime it, so I'm gonna run the fluid through the motor before we actually start it. Started right up.
Good thing, huh?
Hell yeah. Perfect. Very successful first start.
Was the heat up?
Yeah, it was acting weird.
Huh?
It was acting weird.
Is that weird?
Yeah. But let me see the flashlight and let me check for fluids. Alright, let's do this startup.
You have one bolt here.
Huh? Probably a grounding bolt. So. Perfect. Ready?
Yep.
Started bogging on me.
So what?
Started bogging. Alright, well, after a lot of hard work, it's all good.
Yeah.
And basically,
Radiator cap
this video is going to be a short video of me just starting it.
Water was flowing into the radiator.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was flowing back this way.
That's good. Okay, just put the cap back on. Alright, well, that's going to be it. Just for this video, I'm going to record another video probably tomorrow on the, while the sun is out. Just doing the break-in process. Going to lift it up, change everything out, and then that's going to be it.
Race day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's race day. I probably don't sound the happiest. That's because I'm just always tired. And I work all day. And then I come work on this. But it's almost there. But for now, that's it. I'm just going to clean up all this and that's it. Alright, well, it is day 2. And I didn't know I was going to combine these videos, but I might as well. So basically, the built motor is done. Everything is good. Last night did the first start. Sounded really grouchy last night. I did. All that's left is I gotta just secure the bumper, do the break-in process, and then what I'm gonna do is replace the transmission fluid, and then I think I'm gonna switch tuners as well. So what I'm gonna do right now is just start it back up. Cold, so I haven't started all day, I just got back, so. So right now, letting it warm up. So it's really cold start. I do have it resonated, so that's why it's not as loud. So I do have a catless downpipe. Yeah, what it sounds like. So what I'm gonna do is fully let it warm up. There we go. So that's what everything looks like. It's gonna let it fully warm up.